Hello friends, welcome to the channel Dream Job. I hope you have visited the previous video which I have posted for on the KPIT, where I covered the eligibility criteria and also job role and its description about the company. So today I am going to tell you the test pattern. So it will be a very important video. So I request all of you to watch till the end. They are conducting the test for 3 days, that is for 17th, 18th and 21st. Those who qualify the test on 17th, they will be eligible for test which is conducted on 18th, and who qualify the test which is conducted on 18th, they will be eligible for the test conducted on 21 of this month. So every round will be the elimination round, and the day 3 exam which is conducted is not an elimination round. Here you can see the test pattern for day 1, day 2 and day 3. Please go this slide very carefully. For day 1, there are 2 exams will be conducted in a 2 sessions, session A and session B. And the time duration for this test is 2.5 hours, totally for two sections. And the test will start from 9 to 11:30. So in the section 1, 5 topics are given. You can go through it: aptitude, engineering mathematics, communication skills, English skills, C language and arithmetic thinking. And also in session B, you can choose any of this one topic from the 4 given below: circuit benches, computer or IT engineer, mechanical engineer, electrical engineer. You can choose any of the one from the 4. If you have done the computer science in your engineering, then you can choose computer science. If you have done the mechanical, then you go for the mechanical. It is up to you which stream you belong. Choose accordingly. After the exam of 17th, if you are shortlisted, you will get a mail for the exam which is conducted on 18th April. So the duration of test for the second day is 3 hours. There will be the coding round, and also some MCQ will be given. They are divided into 3 tracks: programming in C and embedded C. Track 2 is programming in C++. Track 3 is MATLAB and C programming. You can choose any of the track depending upon the stream you had done in the engineering. We will look the detail about the day 1, day 2 still forward. So just this is a look over. And third day is a behavior test. It is not an elimination test, so no need to worry about that. And also preparation is also not required. So only day 1, day 2 you have to practice a lot and prepare well for the exam. Here you can see the detailed information about the test. What all the requirements you have to be carry to take up the test: Aadhaar card, college name, department, everything you have to be clearly mentioned in the test. They will give the form, you have to mention in that. You already know the syllabus of session day 1, session A. Here the examples of the aptitude. Very simple questions are there, so it is not that tough. You can go through and clear the exam easily. You can have a look of the questions, practice. For practice, you can go for the W3 schools. You can refer W3 schools. It's a totally best website for all aptitude preparation. And the problems on engineering mathematics, it's a compulsory section. So you have to simple basic matrix and integration, calculus like questions will be appeared in the exam. Simple questions, no complications. English test will be there. It will be like very dead easy questions. No need to worry. You can see the question, sample questions. It is given by the company. So same format they will give. No need to worry. And the questions on the C, basics of C language, very easy questions. Examples on the arithmetic. solving thinking problems. Session B, they can do for all the branches. If you are from CSIT, you can choose that branch. You can see the questions from CS and IT engineering and also mechanical engineering. Choose the stream accordingly and write the test. It's very important for that. Next we will see the day 2 pattern. We have seen this all everything. Now it's day 2 structure of pattern. It consists of coding. Session 1, they are also divided into four sessions. You can look after this. Moreover, I will provide a link in the description for this PDF, so that it will be helpful for you to prepare. So I wish all the best for the viewers. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel.